Stop scrolling, because the olive oil sitting in your kitchen right now is not just cooking oil. It can talk to your genes, protect your heart like medicine, and even decide how fast you age. And the craziest part? Most people are using olive oil in a way that kills its biggest benefits. Here are 5 shocking ways olive oil impacts your body, and the last one changes how you should use it forever. Olive oil doesn't just fuel your body, it communicates with your DNA.
Now see the surprises one by one.
Extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols that activate genes linked to longevity, cell repair, inflammation control. These are the same genes studied in people living past 100 in Mediterranean regions. Think of olive oil like a software update for your cells. Instead of forcing change, it gently tells your body, repair, protect, slow down aging. This is one reason Mediterranean diets aren't just healthy, they're anti-aging at the genetic level. Most fats clog arteries. Olive oil does the opposite. It reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, protects HDL, good cholesterol, prevents plaque from sticking to artery walls. But here's the shocker. Olive oil doesn't just lower cholesterol, it makes cholesterol less dangerous. It changes the behavior of fat in your blood, making heart attacks less likely even before cholesterol levels drop. That's why heart doctors call olive oil liquid protection for your arteries. Most people think gut health starts with probiotics, but olive oil prepares the gut before bacteria even arrive. It reduces gut inflammation, strengthens the intestinal lining, helps good bacteria stick and grow. Without this protection, probiotics often pass through without doing much. In simple words, olive oil turns your gut from hostile territory into a safe home for good bacteria. A healthier gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, clearer skin, better mood. Yes, your gut talks to your brain too. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and olive oil feeds it the right kind. Healthy fats in olive oil improve neuron communication, reduce brain inflammation, support memory and focus. Studies show people who use olive oil regularly have lower rates of depression and cognitive decline. It doesn't sedate you, it stabilizes your brain chemistry. That calm, clear feeling after a good Mediterranean meal? That's olive oil working silently upstairs. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. Extreme heat can destroy polyphenols, reduce antioxidant power, turn benefits into empty calories. Extra virgin olive oil is powerful, but it's not invincible. Best use: drizzle after cooking, low to medium heat, raw on salads, vegetables, bread. Used correctly, it's medicine. Used wrongly, it's just oil. The difference is how you treat it. So next time you reach for olive oil, ask yourself, are you just cooking or are you sending a message to your body? Because that bottle on your counter is either helping you age faster or quietly helping you live longer. And now that you know this, you'll never look at olive oil the same way again. And if you liked this, subscribe for more and share it with others, because how you use food matters.